Hello, and welcome to the Hughes Center for Research and Innovation. I'm Dr. Matthew Tripp, Chief Scientific Officer of Nature's Sunshine Products and Synergy Worldwide. Our goal is to take scientific discovery and product innovation to even greater heights by combining cutting-edge science with medical expertise to create safe and effective, nutritionally therapeutic products. The Hughes Center was constructed to realize this goal. Its circular layout mimics the flow of new product development, which all begins with collaboration to formulate ideas. Once the product idea is conceived, it moves to our innovation labs, where we utilize cell-based biological models to develop a unique patentable product formulation. Here we identify and target the underlying molecular mechanisms involved in health and wellness. In vitro models are then developed to screen and test product formulations intended to positively affect these dysfunctional underlying mechanisms. After a compound or combination is found to be effective, it is then put into capsules, tablets, or beverage delivery systems and clinically evaluated for safety and efficacy. When the prototype formula passes all the clinic's final quality evaluations, it will leave the lab and move to production. So now I invite you to sit back and enjoy this behind-the-scenes look at the Hughes Center for Research and Innovation and see for yourself how it's being used by Synergy Worldwide to leave a legacy of scientific advancement and discovery.
Product development begins in the conference room of the Hughes Center, where scientists, researchers, and medical professionals are able to collaborate from around the world. Once conceived, a product concept will begin a cycle of development in the innovation laboratories. The innovation laboratories of the Hughes Center are home to an on-site clinical research group. It consists of the chemistry, molecular and cellular biology, and clinical biology laboratories. Within the product development process, these labs help us understand the molecular targets of chronic conditions. This knowledge is then used to combine active ingredients into product formulations that can be assessed for their safety, efficacy, and human bioavailability to make certain the body can absorb and use them. As quality in the natural supplement industry has never been in higher demand than it is today, identifying and quantifying these active ingredients is a crucial step toward developing safe and effective formulas. Synergy applies cutting-edge technology and advanced analytical methods to confirm the identity and efficacy of its product ingredients. Using these techniques, we can confidently tell you any product's exact composition. Next, our scientists validate the formulation's biological effects. We use this lab to study how natural compounds interact with biological models at the cellular and tissue level, and in some cases, even using human primary cells. To help accomplish this, we use a variety of advanced equipment to perform assays on cells or clinical samples. One particular piece of equipment is the FlexMap 3D. This incredible machine can generate up to 144,000 data points in less than 1 hour, which allows us to analyze a natural compound's biological activity in great detail. This is just a glimpse of what Synergy can do within our innovation laboratories. From this research, we then begin to determine how this cell-based information translates to efficacy in humans. To fully understand this, we then move into the clinical phase of product development. Within our clinic, newly developed formulas are tested for safety and efficacy in humans. Over the course of clinical study, we collect a tremendous amount of samples from subjects for further testing and analysis. A single bioavailability and safety study with 20 people can produce over 560 individual samples. We store these samples in freezers kept at -80°C to maintain the integrity of the samples, and each freezer is capable of storing more than 45,000 samples. Study results are compiled and analyzed for statistical significance to measure the impact of the new formula and determine if it is ready for the market. All of the prior work on a given formula is culminated in these findings. We've performed the scientific research to understand the underlying mechanisms of a given system and to unlock the potential of our product formulations, making us confident in the positive outcome of our clinical studies. The Hughes Center for Research and Innovation secures the quality of Synergy products above and beyond the meticulous testing that is already performed throughout the manufacturing process. It demonstrates the company's commitment to seek out and discover solutions that will help you leave a legacy of health for generations into the future.